Alright, so good morning. It's really beautiful here. Chucky's gonna actually walk with us to Port Antonio. So we're gonna get some clips in Port Antonio. We want to get some soap. He said there's no soap in stores nearby, so we are going to go look for that. Here's his motorbike. But yeah, so we got here yesterday and we went to sleep kind of early, and I just want to show you this in the background. And I'm gonna do some filming tomorrow of cooking and try and get some clips today too. But if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you want to see in the next videos. And let me know, do you want to come here too? It's really, really beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, but the river changed, you know. Even the sea changed, you know. Yes, 20 years ago where the sea is now, it never used to be.
Really?
It used to be further out.
It's coming in.
Yeah, man, global warming real, man.
Okay.
I know that. I don't hear about it. I see it with my own eyes.
Right.
Yeah, so sad.
And the reality that.
So the water's higher now. 'cause it's
Yeah,
coming
man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The next 30 years is gonna be a big problem with the planet, you know.
I agree.
Yeah.
Lot of places gonna go. Even Miami gonna go. Florida,
Yeah, Miami is supposed to go underwater because of all this. But they're still building stuff right on the beach.
They're crazy.
Crazy.
They're crazy.
Yeah.
They
Not
just
good.
want to develop, develop, you know? And don't think about the destruction that's coming after, you know?
Yeah.
No. They just think about the money. No.
Money, I was gonna say, yeah.
It's all about the money, you know?
Exactly.
But they try to explain until they say the world overpopulated. But for me, it makes no sense, you know? But the reason why they can give you the statistic is just like here too. The people who born and grow up here,
Right.
they go to Kingston, Port Royals, looking for opportunity
Right.
to get material things and things like that. So when you go and stuff in the city,
Right.
it looks tight.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
But if you should look over that mountain, look over there, there's
Right.
nobody live there.
Yeah. Well, this is nice. I'd rather have this than be in the city.
Yeah. Of course. It makes more sense.
Yeah. Is this yours as well?
No, it's not my love. Not my love. It makes more sense, man. The city life, and you lose money faster,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
when you stay in the city, you know. Every time you walk, you see something to buy. When you stay in nature, you see nothing to buy.
Yeah.
So the money keep you longer, you know.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You don't need it.
You don't need it. Because most of the time you can pick something from nature and eat,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah. Especially when you are in Jamaica, especially when you're in the parish of Portland.
Right.
That's why we have so much, don't have so much crime, you know.
Yeah, it's
Crime
nice.
rate
More
is very
peaceful
low.
here.
Oh, good. Yes. And this is where we live now, Kano Road. We have neighborhood watch,
Okay.
you know.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
So all the people live as one.
Okay.
And look out for each other. So this road is a dead-end road. It just goes straight to the river.
Right.
And that's where it stops.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna take one taxi.
Are you gonna come with us?
Yeah, man.
Oh, thank you.
I'll come with us to show you, you know, things that you can make it more easier for you. You understand? Yeah, man. So, if you want, you can go to the front and watch it.
Okay.
Alright, so we found this taxi super fast, but I don't think this taxi driver was too happy with us because we accidentally slammed his car door, and then he thought I was scared to sit in the front seat with him for some reason, but really I just wanted to go in the back so I could film something with Chucky. And then we also asked him if he didn't mind shutting off his music for our filming, so yeah, I don't think we were his favorite passengers, but yeah, you'll see, we get to Port Antonio.
Yeah, so this is the car now to Port Antonio, you know. So when,
That was easy.
yeah, it's so easy and fast, you know.
Took
So,
1 second.
Yes, so when you come to Jamaica, as you come on the main,
No, seatbelt not real good.
Oh, okay, okay.
Good man.
when you come to Jamaica, as long as you come on the main, in time from Canada at the concrete bus stop, get a taxi right away to Port Antonio, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
way faster than I ever seen a taxi
Yes,
come anywhere
very
ever.
fast. Maybe the taxi man can say something for himself.
You want to say something? No YouTube for you? Okay.
Alright.
We're in the cab now.
Yes, you come to Port Antonio.
So how long is it?
I think around 15 minutes drive.
Oh, it's short. Very short.
It can be faster, you know, but
Okay.
you know, the taxi man just chilling, so
Yeah.
normal like 15 minutes.
Maybe we pick up some, drop them off, pick up some
Yes,
people.
yes, just like that.
Yeah, okay.
It's not like in Europe where you have a destination and stop.
Yeah.
Here is more freelance, you just stop anywhere, take up anywhere. Somerset Falls, over there.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you go now and check rent a car, you have more time to go around and
Yeah, we
more
can stop
freelance
anywhere.
and stop and do what you want. Yeah?
Okay. Yeah, yesterday we were gonna get the rental car, but it didn't work out. Okay, thank you.
Taxi man got where?
No, that's why the car figures if you have week or something like that. I don't know, one day. So.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
He said it's good.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, now we are in Port Antonio.
We
and
made
this is
it.
where they have the Babylon KFC, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
So when people come,
To kill you faster.
yes, when people come, because some people like this type of food, you know?
Okay.
But normally, I don't really fancy these things, you know?
Yeah.
But I'm an open person. People can just eat what they want, drink what they want,
Right.
because you have no right to tell people what to do. You know? So as long as you feel comfortable with what you're doing, no problem for me. I'm a freelancer, and I think outside the box.
Yes.
I have no control over people like, okay?
okay.
So let's come now and go and check out the rental car.
Okay.
Over here.
Yeah, we're searching for a rental car now.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to camera.
No, not you.
You're gonna burn too.
Okay. Yeah, true.
Lost some shirt.
Yeah, I don't think
Over
of
here is the rental car place.
Okay.
So no, we go over here and check the car.
Okay.
It all depends on the one you want, you know. If you want a 4-wheel one drive, that you can go Blue Mountain or anywhere you want. But maybe that one will cost a little bit more, you know. But you must have a choice and choose the one you prefer. Yeah. Gracias, Chief. At the office. What? Good morning. What do you have to for the car? You need a car. What do you have to?
The camera's okay or no? The camera's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is the office inside here?
Yeah, but Kevin is not here this week.
So is you in charge? You in charge? Yes, this man is in charge of everything.
Okay.
So you need a car, I don't know what type of car you need, 4-wheel drive or whatever, but you can speak to him.
Sure.
He will show you around. You know?
Okay.
And the process go on from there. You know?
Right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So see you guys later.
Okay, see you soon.
Yeah, one love, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Respect.
Appreciate
Okay.
it. Chuck, thank you.
Take care of them, yeah?
Okay. In one car.